When a woman loves you, her love is something extraordinary, something you can feel and recognize. Her actions, her choices, and her sacrifices all speak volumes, perhaps even louder than words. When a woman truly loves you, it's unmistakable. When a woman truly loves you, her love will go beyond mere words. Her heart, her actions will reflect a selfless, Christ-like love that is patient, nurturing, and sincere. This kind of love is grounded in the qualities described in 1 Corinthians 13. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. And when a woman loves you this way, you will feel it in tangible and meaningful ways. This love reflects God's love in every action, and here's how. 1. She wants to be part of your world. A woman in love naturally wants to know your family, meet your friends, and get to know the people you value most. She's not just doing this out of curiosity. She genuinely wants to understand who you are and where you come from. It's like Ruth who, when she committed herself to Naomi, said, "Where you go, I'll go, and your people will be my people." Ruth was declaring, "Your life is my life." So when she wants to be part of your world, it's because her love for you is so deep. She wants to share in everything that makes you, you. When a woman loves you, she desires a place in your life and wants to know the people who are important to you. This isn't out of curiosity or a need for validation, but rather because she values the connection she shares with you. Her love inspires her to draw close to the people you hold dear, reflecting Ruth's loyalty to Naomi. Where you go, I will go, and where you stay, I will stay. Ruth 1:16. Ruth's declaration shows that genuine love wants to walk beside you through life, embracing your family, friends, and all that comes with being in a true partnership. A woman who loves you will not be secretive or distant. She will want to be known and accepted in your circle, strengthening the bond she shares with you through shared relationships and experiences. 2, she's willing to sacrifice. True love comes with a willingness to give, even when it's not easy. Jesus said, "Greater love has no one than this, that someone lay down his life for his friends." Now, in a relationship, sacrifice may not mean laying down your life, but it means giving up comforts and conveniences to see the other person happy. When a woman is truly in love, she'll gladly make adjustments and compromises, not because she has to, but because she wants to. This is love that says, "I'm here for you no matter the cost." True love involves sacrifice and compromise. In John 15:13, Jesus said, "Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends." This verse illustrates the depth of sacrificial love that a woman can show when she truly loves you. While it may not mean laying down her life, she will willingly set aside personal comforts, preferences, or conveniences to ensure your happiness and support the relationship. She will make the effort to work around inconveniences and willingly step out of her comfort zone if it brings peace and joy to your life. This willingness to sacrifice demonstrates that her love is not self-centered, but is committed to nurturing the bond you share. 3, she cares about the people you care about. Love is unselfish, and it expands to include those who are important to you. In Philippians we read, "Look not only to your own interests, but to the interests of others." When a woman loves you, she feels for those close to you. If someone in your life is hurting, she will feel it too. She prays with you for them, she comforts you, and she supports them because she knows they mean a lot to you. This shows a love that's compassionate, a love that brings your worlds together. Genuine love is empathetic and inclusive. When a woman loves you, she feels compassion for those who are important to you. Philippians 2:4 teaches, "Let each of you look not only to his own interests, but also to the interests of others." Asterisk. Her care for your family and friends is an extension of her love for you. If someone close to you is hurting, she will naturally express concern, wanting to comfort or support you in any way she can. Her love is not limited to her immediate needs. She recognizes that loving you means caring about those who have a significant place in your life. This attitude of inclusion and empathy fosters a healthy, supportive partnership that extends beyond just the two of you. 4, she embraces the rhythm of your life. We all have our own routines, our way of doing things. When a woman loves you, she learns to find a balance between her rhythm and yours. If you're a morning person, she might start waking up earlier just to have breakfast with you. She'll make an effort to walk beside you in harmony, understanding your way of life and finding ways for you both to blend. That's how much she cares about sharing a life with you. Every person has a unique pace and lifestyle, and it's important in any relationship to find common ground. Amos 3:3 asks, "Can two walk together except they be agreed?" A woman who loves you will observe the flow of your life and find ways to harmonize with it. She doesn't expect you to change entirely, but looks for ways to be compatible. If you enjoy a morning routine of going to the gym, she might join you or encourage you to keep up with it, even if her schedule differs. She respects the things that bring balance to your life and adjusts so you can walk together in unity. This flexibility and willingness to blend lifestyles reflect her commitment to building a life together that is joyful and mutually supportive. 5, she's proud of your accomplishments. Love doesn't compete, it celebrates. When a woman loves you, she's your biggest cheerleader. She's there clapping the loudest for your wins and pushing you to succeed even more. She's proud of you, and you see it in her eyes. She sees your victories as her own and shares in your dreams. That kind of encouragement only comes from a heart that loves deeply. A loving woman will always champion your success and growth. Romans 12:15 says, "Rejoice with those who rejoice, mourn with those who mourn." Her joy for you is genuine, and she celebrates your achievements wholeheartedly. She is the person who will encourage you when you're uncertain and lift you up when you're low, reminding you of your strengths and potential. This support and pride in your accomplishments come from a place of deep love, as she wants to see you excel and become the best version of yourself. Her encouragement is a constant reminder of her belief in you and the love she has for the person you are becoming. 6, she's committed to fighting for your relationship. Life isn't always easy, and neither are relationships. When a woman loves you, she's willing to work through any challenges that come your way. She doesn't run at the first sign of trouble, and she doesn't give up when things get tough. She's committed to making things work because she values what you have. Together, you can face anything, and she's right there beside you, ready to overcome every storm. Every relationship faces challenges, but a woman who genuinely loves you is ready to stand by you through the storms. Ecclesiastes 4:9-10 emphasizes the strength of partnership, saying, "Two are better than one. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up." She is invested in the well-being of the relationship and will make every effort to overcome obstacles together. Her commitment is seen in how she balances both your needs and hers, seeking harmony rather than one-sidedness. She may look for opportunities to deepen your connection, attending events or activities that strengthen your bond as a couple. Her dedication to the relationship shows that her love is enduring, not swayed by the temporary, but anchored in the desire to grow together. 7, she supports your spiritual growth. Finally, true love isn't just about the physical or emotional, it's spiritual. A woman who loves you prays for you, with you, and pushes you closer to God. She's invested not only in your worldly success, but in your walk with the Lord. Her love strengthens you, and you find yourself drawn to grow in faith because she brings you peace and wisdom in every step. This love is a reflection of God's love, building you up and calling you to be the best man you can be. A woman who truly loves you not only encourages you in life's endeavors, but also in your spiritual journey. 1 Thessalonians 5:11 says, "Therefore encourage one another and build each other up." Her love isn't solely focused on the material or external, but includes your soul's well-being. She prays for you, encourages you to grow in faith, and actively participates in conversations that draw you closer to God. Her presence is one that brings peace, wisdom, and guidance. as she seeks to walk with you in a way that reflects the love of Christ. This spiritual support is the foundation of a godly relationship, one that not only strengthens the love between you both, but also deepens your relationship with God. When a woman genuinely loves you, her love will reflect God's love through her patience, kindness, empathy, and faithfulness. In her actions, you'll find her heart open to building a life with you that honors both God and the bond you share. This love is a gift, one that requires nurturing and appreciation, as it is truly the expression of a heart rooted in God's love and grace.